Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI.
I'm so happy I found the Wave Tools Therapy Ultimate 6-Pack Cupping Set. The silicone cups are super easy to use, and I like that there are two styles for different pressure levels. I've used them after tough workouts, and they really help me with my muscle tightness and trigger points. One thing I appreciate is that they don't require pumps or anything extra, so it's way less intimidating to use. Plus, they come in a nice case, which makes them easy to throw in a gym bag or take with you on vacation. If you're new to cupping, there's a bit of a learning curve to figuring out the right placement and pressure and time, but once you get the hang of it, they're a game changer for recovery. This set includes two styles of silicone cups, providing versatility for different muscle groups and pressure preferences. They offer really strong suction, making them great for trigger points, scar tissue work, and general muscle recovery. They're easy to clean. Overall, it's a great addition to any recovery routine. Though beginners may need some time to adjust to using them effectively, keep in mind these will leave red spots on the skin, and that is normal. You need to monitor the length of time that they're on your skin. Overall, I'm really happy. I'm so glad that I have these, and I would recommend these 10 out of 10.
And that's my point of view.